for a meet and greet with Shani, GRIMMOND and Michael Finch, and we are so excited. So we're just going down in the lift. We're going out to see the crowd now. Shani and Michael are upstairs and they're hiding in a room, and they have just seen some beautiful cancer patients. One of them, her wish was to see Michael. So she's so happy up there. But yeah, so we're walking through Highpoint now. We're so excited. We can't wait to see the crowd. We know they're going to be excited to see Shani and Michael. Are you excited? Is everyone excited? Can you believe the day is finally here? We get to see Shani and Michael. Hey guys, so we're just about to go meet all of you. We are so excited. We're on our way right now.
Walking down now.
Amazing, I love them both so much.
We got here at 6 a.m. and we wake up at 3 a.m.
I haven't used this range yet, but I'm really looking forward to trying because I've been using like Bondi for years. I've got the 1 hour tan on now because I love it.
It's been the best day so far. The vibe at Highpoint is out of control. Are you guys excited still? See what I mean? It's crazy. Shani and Michael are doing such a good job. Honestly, we love them so much here at Bondi Sands. Let's keep going. Woo! Love you, Michael and Shani!
Thank you so much, Bondi Sands, for giving me the chance to come here and celebrate this with Michael and Shani. I love Bondi so much. Hopefully I can try their new products.
I've tried both of these ones. My all-time favourite's the matte one. I just really like the way it looks on my skin and the way it dries and things like that.
I tan very often.
Yeah,
I love Bondi Sands.
That was a lot. We love it.
Thank you so much for coming today, guys. We love you.